Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I'm Shaylin, and I'm so happy you are here with me today. We are standing at the very edge of a new year. Right now, the calendar is about to flip, and the air is full of hope. Everyone around you is talking about the future, about plans, and about fresh starts. But I know that for many English learners, this specific week brings a tiny bit of stress. You hear Happy New Year so many times that you start to panic slightly. You think, is there a better way to say this? Do I just say you too every time? How do I sound natural, like a native speaker, and not like a robot? My friend, we are going to remove that hesitation today. We are not just memorizing a list of vocabulary words. That is boring, and honestly, you will forget them by tomorrow. Instead, we are going to learn social intelligence. We are going to learn exactly what to say to your boss to sound professional, what to text your friends to sound cool, and most importantly, how to reply when someone wishes you so the conversation keeps flowing. I have selected 35 essential sentences. I will explain the deep feeling behind each one, the why and the how, so you understand the emotion. Then we will shadow them together. Are you ready to walk into 2026 with total confidence? All right. Let's start with the people who matter most to you, your friends and your family. When we wish them well, we don't want to sound stiff or formal. We want to sound warm. We want our voice to carry a smile. First, let's upgrade the basic greeting. Simply shouting Happy New Year is fine, but it's a bit short. Adding wishing you at the beginning makes it feel like a real gift. It turns a simple statement into a warm offer of kindness. Wishing you a very happy New Year. Wishing you a very happy New Year. Wishing you a very happy New Year. Now, imagine you are at a party, the music is playing, or you are texting a friend who loves excitement. Use the word sparkling. It's a beautiful adjective that suggests light, fireworks, and high energy. It makes your English sound very descriptive and alive. Have a sparkling new year. Have a sparkling new year. Have a sparkling new year. If you are messaging a friend who is married or living with their parents, it's very polite to include their household. In many cultures, and in English too, acknowledging the family shows deep respect. It says, I care about your whole world. Happy New Year to you and your family. Happy New Year to you and your family. Happy New Year to you and your family. This next one is very modern. You'll hear native speakers use the word vibes a lot in 2026. It means energy or feeling. Use this for your close friends or on social media stories. It sounds cool, relaxed, and trendy. Sending you good vibes for the new year. Sending you good vibes for the new year. Sending you good vibes for the new year. Sometimes your friends might be feeling a little anxious about the future. You want to be the person who gives them hope. Encourage them by saying that this year will be superior to the last one. Be their cheerleader. I hope this is your best year yet. I hope this is your best year yet. I hope this is your best year yet. Then we have the timeless classic trio, health, wealth, and happiness. You can say this to your grandmother, your neighbor, or even your doctor. It works for everyone because it covers everything a human being needs to be satisfied. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. This next phrase uses a toast format. Here's to. Imagine raising a glass at a dinner table. It means, let us celebrate the future. It's very communal. It brings people together in a shared moment of joy. Here's to a fantastic year ahead. Here's to a fantastic year ahead. Here's to a fantastic year ahead. And for a best friend you want to keep close, this sentence is special. It confirms that your friendship isn't changing. It's a lovely way to say, I'm staying in your life and we're going to have fun. Let's make more memories in 2026. Let's make more memories in 2026. Let's make more memories in 2026. Now, let's shift our mindset completely. Take a breath. Imagine you are walking through the doors of your office. You're talking to a client or your manager. Here, we drop the emotional words like sparkling. We replace them with strong, steady words like prosperous. Prosperous is the key vocabulary word for business. It means successful, wealthy, and thriving. It's the safest, most professional wish you can give in a corporate setting. Have a prosperous new year. Have a prosperous new year. Have a prosperous new year. If you are writing the first email of the year to a colleague, use this opener. It's polite and professional without being too personal. It sets a good, productive tone for the work year. Wishing you a successful year ahead. Wishing you a successful year ahead. Wishing you a successful year ahead. Use this one to show a client or a business partner that you value them. In business, relationships are everything. Expressing gratitude strengthens that bond and ensures they keep working with you. It's been a pleasure working with you. It's been a pleasure working with you. It's been a pleasure working with you. This phrase focuses on teamwork. It tells your coworker, I'm ready to collaborate with you again. It builds a strong team spirit for the projects coming up. Looking forward to another great year together. Looking forward to another great year together. Looking forward to another great year together. Sometimes you just pass someone in the elevator or the hallway. You don't have time for a long conversation. You need a quick, friendly, but professional sentence. This fits perfectly. All the best for the coming year. All the best for the coming year. All the best for the coming year. Now, we must learn how to reply. When someone wishes you, don't just nod. If you're replying to a text message, this is the most efficient and friendly way to do it. It works for almost anyone. Same to you. Have a great one. Same to you. Have a great one. Same to you. Have a great one. When you are in a group and everyone is celebrating, or someone sends a nice message to the group chat, you don't need a long sentence. Cheers means I agree or let's celebrate. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. If someone compliments you, for example, I hope you have a huge success this year, accept the compliment with humility using this phrase. Thanks, I really hope so. Thanks, I really hope so. Thanks, I really hope so. To sound fluent, you need to be able to start a conversation. This is the #1 question to ask at a party. It keeps the conversation flowing because everyone likes to talk about their goals. Do you have any New Year's resolutions? Do you have any New Year's resolutions? Do you have any New Year's resolutions? And if you want to sound determined and ready for action, use this phrase. Make it count. It means don't waste time. It shows you are serious about success. Let's make this year count. Let's make this year count. Let's make this year count. And our final phrase today, the ultimate wish for a fresh start. Speak this with a smile, looking forward to the future. New year, new beginnings. New year, new beginnings. New year, new beginnings. Wonderful! Do you feel that? The difference between just saying words and actually understanding the feeling behind them, that is true fluency. We covered 35 powerful phrases today. But more importantly, we covered the social intelligence behind them. When you understand the nuance, when to use sparkling and when to use prosperous, you stop sounding like a textbook and start sounding like a real person. Now, I have a challenge for you. I want you to pick one phrase from the replies section we practiced. Maybe it was cheers to that, or maybe right back at you. Write that phrase in the comments below. By writing it down, you're telling your brain, this is my phrase now. I own this. If you found value in this lesson, if you learned something new about tone or social English, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps this channel grow and reach more learners like you. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and go make 2026 your year. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.